Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Katanat Pulit jong kejala Meghalaya hakasngi pale jong katayo kalayo biang saat pu Ngut ki Pulit constable bakantup ru ya san Ngut ki follower ki badang Pyndep ya Jingshah Hikai ha Hikai ke badan ha 4th Battalion MLP Sohpian West Khasi Hills ya kabalayi iru ha passing out parade jong ka 9 batch basic training recruits constable and followers arja arbasal kabalalong hakate ke joka Hikai ha 4th Battalion MLP 2nd IR APCT Sohpian West Khasi Hills District. Hakani kasngi ka kong CA Lingwa IPS Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP Meghalaya kalalong kum ka kongsan bat shimru ya kabenta ban ai khuble ya kitiki arpu Ngut ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ya ka Jingshah Hikai. Hakati kasngi la samru ya ka khusnam shaki Ngut ki Pulit constable ki batbet tam hakati ki Jingshah pentbet jongki bagantup ya ubal sam CH marang ubalayo ya ka nam best in weapons and tactics u Albin Stone Rimiat ubalayo ya ka nam best in indoor and drill Marksley Arlingkoi, ubalayo ekanam best in indoor and law, but upenchila ubalayo best in discipline and common. Hakati kasngi nalor ukomandan ka 4th Battalion MLP Sohpian, urupam Armarak MPS, ladon langru Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills, Bikram Dimarak MPS, Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills Garot LSN Dites IAS, uba HG Lingdo IPS Commandant ka 1st MLP Battalion Mauyong, ki he Pulit na kiwe ke district, bat ki bahayeng hasam jong kita ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ya kata ke Jingshah Hikai bat ki we de
Tin mo dia. Tin mo dia.
Great pleasure to stand here today on this passing out parade. Let me be very, very clear from the very beginning. Whether a group of 5 contingents or a group of 1 contingent, people and recruit constables who join will always have to undergo the same kind of training, the same kind of drill, the same kind of teaching. And that is the reason that we decided from police headquarters, Director General of Police was very keen that this passing out parade should take place. The boys who have passed out today have to display their capability in the marching, in the salute. We take a man from the street, literally from the background that they have come out, who are just normal civilians. And in the 9 months that of training that is being conducted in our training center, we turn them into the most perfect policemen and women. And for that, I will congratulate the commandant, the assistant commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in these 9 months of rigorous training. My request is that you have maintained such good discipline. You have kept yourself fit. You look very fit. Please continue to be in this state of fitness. In the police, all of us have to be, we have to keep fit. I try to keep fit. I try to keep fit because as long as I'm wearing this khaki, I want to look fit. And I should not overlook, because fitness and health is the key factor to become a good policeman and a good policewoman in any situation, whether it's law and order, whether it's controlling traffic in the street, whether it's any other program, the police will always be called for service, and that kind of discipline that you have learned here, you should continue to learn the same discipline. I also wish to thank the parents of the trainees who have come here to witness the children. I am sure that you will feel proud of this special day.